We are all ready for you, sir.
Good morning, Pune. Today we are here to just preparing the invitation video for Manufacturing Maestros.
What's happening here?
We are preparing an invitation video for Manufacturing Maestros.
Manufacturing Maestros?
Manufacturing Maestro is a platform where people building the India's manufacturing capabilities, entrepreneurs, innovators, and the leaders who are building, who are shaping the future of Indian manufacturing industry.
So I've traveled across many countries, but everyone keeps talking about Indian manufacturing. So it's great to see that Oemeta India is supporting this.
Indeed. India is not only just manufacturing for the world anymore. It's creating manufacturing leaders, and Manufacturing Maestro is celebrating the same.
Now I know, and it's great that Oemeta India is supporting this.
Yes. Join us in Pune.
Let's celebrate people behind manufacturing.
See you at Manufacturing
Maestros on 6th of August.
Lemon Tree, Thergaon.